Front-end code runs billions of times a day, and even small inefficiencies add up to significant energy use and carbon emissions. Yet today's AI coding assistants prioritize speed over sustainability, while existing guidelines sit outside everyday workflows, making environmental impact invisible as code is written. In this context, we present EcoAssist, a system that embeds sustainability directly into AI-assisted front-end development. With EcoAssist, developers can generate front-end code using their favorite AI models. For example, here we generate a personal portfolio website with GPT-5. Once the code is produced, EcoAssist analyzes it. The system scans through the generated front-end code, looking for inefficiencies that may not be obvious to the developer. It highlights energy-intensive patterns such as oversized images, redundant JavaScript, or complex CSS selectors, and proposes targeted optimizations. These suggestions appear directly inside the developer's workflow, so there's no need to switch tools or break concentration. EcoAssist was trained on hundreds of pairs of real web pages, both original and optimized versions. This training allowed it to learn exactly which kinds of code changes reliably reduce energy use while keeping a page's functionality and design intact. For example, EcoAssist can compress images and switch to modern formats like AVIF, often cutting file size without quality loss. It can apply lazy loading so images and videos load only when needed, and flag JavaScript that is unused or loads too early, suggesting deferring or removal. Heavy animations that drain CPU power can be simplified into lighter CSS transitions. Even small changes, like trimming unused CSS or subsetting fonts, can add up to major savings across millions of page views. EcoAssist also provides an interactive preview mode. Developers can render the page before and after optimization to confirm that the layout, behavior, and user experience remain unchanged. Every optimization is presented transparently, with diffs showing exactly what is being added, removed, or changed. EcoAssist's recommendations can be reviewed line by line, compared side by side, and tested instantly. This transparency builds trust and ensures that developers stay in complete control of their projects, choosing which suggestions to accept based on their priorities. Instead of feeling replaced by automation, developers gain a partner that supports their judgment while giving them visibility into the trade-offs of each decision. After all suggestions are accepted or rejected, EcoAssist reports estimated energy savings, measured both in joules and as a percentage of the original code's energy use. This makes the impact tangible. Developers aren't just told that a change is better, they see the evidence in numbers. A single compressed image might save only a fraction of a joule per load, but across millions of visitors, those tiny savings can collectively reduce energy and carbon emissions significantly. By embedding sustainability into AI-assisted coding, EcoAssist reframes how developers think about code. It proves that greener, faster, and cleaner interfaces are not only possible, but practical. Each optimization represents a small but meaningful step toward shrinking the environmental footprint of the web, one of the world's largest and fastest-growing infrastructures. EcoAssist shows that sustainable front-end development and productivity go hand in hand, empowering developers to create faster, greener interfaces and making sustainability a natural, visible part of everyday workflows.